collaborated with the Capital Area Intermediate Unit and the City of Harrisburg to set up a booth in the 2022 Harrisburg Art Fest. We wanted to have participants come in and put together tiles that I would take home in fire and use in a mosaic that we were going to gift to the Harrisburg High School, the John Harris campus. We had no idea how many people would participate, and we were just blown away. We ended up with 1,131 tiles, which means more than 1,000 people participated in this mosaic. Then the Capital Area Intermediate Unit had me do a summer camp with kids, and they made another 80 tiles for the mosaic. This is just a good example of what can happen when everybody pitches in and just does a little bit. This is the community coming together. I hope students see this and it brightens their day. I hope it helps them see that the community supports and cares about them. I'm just so unbelievably grateful that I was able to be a part of this.